Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, one of our more reliable computer models that we use just coming in, and it's a slightly colder, slightly snowier scenario coming up for this weekend, so still feel comfortable in forecasting at least a moderate snowfall coming up for Saturday. Certainly enough to shovel and to plow. As we take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, I'm actually tracking snow right now. This is not a storm, but rather just kind of the exception rather than the rule. A couple of isolated snow showers offshore, one clipping Block Island Sound. This will pass across the South Shore shortly, won't last very long. Few more may clip the Vineyard and Nantucket. Elsewhere, the skies are clear, and obviously the big story tonight, it is frigid. Some cases down into the single digits. So, you know, the plot thickens here with such cold air in place, moisture, a storm approaching. It will start as snow everywhere, and it will begin as accumulating snow. Even though there may be a little bit of mixing of some sleet and rain for a short time, still feel as though the net result will be snow on the ground when all is said and done. But the height of the storm as far as precipitation, Saturday evening and Saturday night, some mixing of sleet and rain along the South Shore. But if we don't get any mixing near the coastline, the totals across the South Shore will be pretty high as well. We'll give you an early guesstimate as far as the numbers on that in just a second, but we are clear and obviously quite cold in Providence. The temperature at 15. Coventry is down to 9 above. Light south breeze, relative humidity at 64%. You can see Smithfield at 12, Worcester at 13, Westerly at 12. So exceptionally cold weather overnight into early tomorrow morning. In fact, it doesn't even get above freezing all day tomorrow, even with sunshine. Skies are clear. You know, the storm that we're watching is actually, what part of it is way out in Texas. So it's really yet to form, but it's headed our way. Confidence is high that the storm will approach over the weekend. I want to show you a Futurecast over the next couple of days, starting, actually, you know what? Let's just jump ahead to Friday night, because Friday is pretty simple. It's just cold and dry. So let's start Friday night at 11 o'clock. It is still dry. Skies are cloudy. Advance the timestamp here to Saturday morning, cloudy and cold. No snow, at least not yet, but we start to see the snow develop by early afternoon on Saturday. This is 2 o'clock, becoming a little steadier and heavier. Notice some of these darker blues. That's heavy snow. 9 o'clock Saturday night with some rain offshore. Pre-dawn hours of Sunday, a little bit of mixing along the South Shore, but interior sections still with a darker blue indicating some steadier and heavier snow. Mixed precipitation pulling away, improving weather by sometime Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. But the height of the storm is clearly Saturday evening and Saturday night. For this evening, it's just clear and frigid. Temperature down to 10 above. Looking at sunshine tomorrow morning after starting out in the teens early in the morning, rising to 25 late morning, and really not much higher than, say, 29, 30 tomorrow afternoon with sunshine. So another day with sub-freezing temperatures. Here's the setup on Saturday evening with area of low pressure developing, shield of steady snow denoted in blue, covering the area with some ice and rain just offshore as the storm tracks north and east. A little bit of a mixture along the coastline. So the precipitation type is mostly frozen for just about everyone. Snow and rain along the South Shore, snow and sleet inland, and all snow well to the north. Based on some information I've been looking at, I'm still going to stick with an accumulation of 3 to 6 inches. However, that number may have to be raised a little bit considering some of the information I'm looking at right now. I want to wait for everything to come in. We have all day tomorrow to kind of analyze the situation, but feel fairly confident of at least a moderate snowfall, enough to shovel and plow Saturday evening and Saturday night. So cold and dry tomorrow. Early morning skies are dry on Saturday. Here comes the snow and sleet Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, extending into early Sunday morning, drying out Sunday afternoon with sunshine, cold and dry on Monday, and a temperature at 29 degrees. So forecasting 3 to as much as a half a foot of snow Saturday evening and Saturday night. So that will have a significant impact on just anyone's day-to-day activities just before the holidays.
And it's a partial water fire Saturday night too.
That's going to be tough.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Tony.